Okay, I'm Dr. John Bergman down here at our clinic in Tijuana, live with
Manuel. Greetings and salutations.
Yes. Okay, the cool thing, and I want Manuel to tell you about some of his experiences, but the neat thing is he's an engineer. 3 of the greatest chiropractors ever were engineers first, so these guys get the big picture. So can you tell us about your experiences so far?
So far, like when I first came in, I was fairly stiff. I was only able to rotate my neck about 180 degrees, but now I almost feel like an owl. I almost have like full range. And since I've been getting adjusted, a lot of my stiffness has gone away. Also, the curvature on my spine has also been decreasing slowly, but it's actually given me a better feeling because of my flexibility, and also I'm able to do more things with yoga. And also, my digestion has drastically improved. When I'm doing my workouts, I'm recovering much faster. And also, I asked Dr. Bergman and his entire staff multiple questions, and they're just bombarding me with awesome pieces of information, especially with nutrition.
Wait a second, so you're not talking, it's just for pain? You mean this actually has to do with function?
Of course! Everything is connected. The spine, the muscles, everything is connected.
Think of that. I mean, you don't get that stuff in the real world, because I mean, what the culture is north of the border, I mean, south of the border, there tends to be a little bit more common sense. But man, it's symptom, drug, and that just doesn't make any sense.
Listening to the body and then numbing it just leads to more problems, more health issues. But once you start listening to the body will give you all the things that you need, and then going to the right people, getting the right knowledge will also help you to improve your health in the long run.
Wait a second. You mean the body's intelligent?
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit. Thank God this is live, because this is the kind of shit that gets blown out and destroyed. Okay, because when you look at this, I mean, the body is intelligent. Does that mean that symptoms are there for a reason?
Of course. It just tells you, oh, my elbow hurts. Why? Oh, it's because it's broken.
Fantastic. Now, what's your experience at coming across the border and going back? Any challenges or anything like that?
So far, we've actually upgraded our status in a sense of crossing over the border from the U.S. to Mexico, easy. But going from Mexico to the U.S., there is a little bit of traffic because going to the U.S., they're a little bit more strict. So we kind of upgrade ourselves going towards Global Pass. Also, you can use the ready lane if you're a U.S. citizen.
You got the Global Pass?
Oh, yes.
I didn't. I'm still at Ready Lane. So,
okay.
So honestly, it took me 15 minutes last week, took me 20 minutes the week before, took me an hour the week before that, and took me 10 minutes the week before that. So
yes.
Best day, Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Good Friday, baby, right through. You barely got to slow down. You just throw the guy your passport and he just high-fives you. Super easy. But now no testing or anything else to come across the border?
No.
What about mask usage? It's pretty easy down here.
Yeah, though, so far they've been, in Mexico, they just temperature check your arm. They don't have to scan your head. There's a lot of issues scanning the head. And also, they have you clean your feet or shoes. And then in the U.S., they don't do that either, but they do measure you. They also scan you in your head, and also you're forced to wear your masks.
Now, what would you tell people? Because there's a lot of people out there that are still stuck in that symptom drug paradigm. How do you get them out of it? What got you out of it?
I typically try to ask this particular question. How long have you had this symptom? You've had this long. Has it improved since it began to this point? No? Then you gotta change something. If you're going to continue down this road, you already know by just looking at America, the direction it's going towards, like diabetes. There's a lot of people that don't do anything for their diabetes and then they die from their diabetes. But if they just change their eating habits, all of a sudden their diabetes their insulin starts to decrease. And then all of a sudden, they don't no longer have diabetes. It's just one of those weird situations.
Okay, we didn't talk before.
Yeah.
Guess what I'm talking about this coming Tuesday?
What?
Diabetes. Yes. No shit, I know. There's a synchronicity. Yeah, and it is, because type 2 diabetes isn't a disease. It's an adaptation to stress or toxicity.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my God, brilliant.
Yes.
Okay, can you see why I love engineers? They rock, baby. Okay, now do you have anything to add so that people can find the solutions instead of covered in the symptoms?
Even in the Bible, they said food is medicine, but also doing things more natural tends to have more of a health benefit than the drug and medicated solutions. It has a lot of side effects. Just look into it. Do your research. Just do your research. But also, because you stumbled upon this, it has helped me. It's helped my fiance, and I've seen a lot of the people here. They're also like-minded individuals, and they're all going towards that direction of improving their health. Knowledge, physical, and so on and so forth.
Buddy, thank you so much. I mean, just realize, we're going to try every week bring you real people who've had real challenges and real results, real successes. Buddy, thank you so much. You rock,
no
man.
problem.
You rock.
Cool.
Thank you very much.